friends. This is SATYASAGAR and basically I am from Odisha, and I have completed my BE in Computer Science of Engineering from C College of Engineering and Technology with 65%. And I joined JSpiders in July 2022 because after college I didn't know about Java and programming fundamentals. So with lot of hopes I joined here, and I took a great decision whatever like in my life, and I joined JSpiders. Here I got so much experience and through like programming and technical skills. And here faculties were very much friendly. They helped me a lot to crack interview easily. And here I learned so much technical skills like Java, the tech nothing but like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, and here I became like proficient in technical skills in Java, like oops, concepts, methods, classes, and programming. For that reason, I want to say thanks to Anupama ma'am, because she taught me about object-oriented programming structure, and it helps me a lot because in interview also interviewer asked me about those principles. And after that, I want to say thanks to Rahul sirs and Akshay sirs, because they taught me programming fundamentals. Because of that, in interview also, in every interview whatever I have attended, in every interview I got like minimum 2 programs, and easily I was able to write programs. And again I want to say thanks to Moni sir, because of him like I cleared interview easily because I attended his grooming class, and that experience was very impactful to me. And he was like very much friendly, and like he was teaching whatever interview you ask, then he was teaching in that way. And like that. And I want to say thanks to JSpiders once again. And I suggest to friends, to whoever are unable to select a good way to for them for their career, and they must become here JSpiders, to join JSpiders, and they can easily they can grow their careers and all. And thanks to JSpiders also. And